The Biden administration unveiling new steps aimed at preventing travelers arriving from China from spreading COVID-19 here in the U.S. As Skylar Henry explains, many countries are concerned about the growing number of COVID cases in China, even while Beijing is not acknowledging a surge.
With COVID cases surging in China, the Biden administration announced a new COVID-19 testing requirement for travelers from China. Beginning January 5th, all travelers to the U.S. from China will be required to take a COVID-19 test no more than 2 days before travel and provide a negative test before boarding their flight. Hospitals and funeral homes across China are overwhelmed, just weeks after the government ended its zero COVID policy amid nationwide protests.
There was no preparation. Nobody knew. The decision was made on this, but there was no stockpiling of medications.
U.S. officials say China's lack of transparency on key scientific data could hamper efforts to prevent the detection and spread of possibly dangerous variants. Some estimates suggest more than half of the Chinese capital's residents are infected with COVID. Meanwhile, after nearly 3 years of lockdowns, China says it's resuming issuing passports for tourism in early January. That likely paves the way for a boom in travel abroad as China celebrates the Lunar New Year. Skylar Henry, CBS News, Washington.